With every purchase of loupes, you'll receive a sports strap to help keep your loupes in place while wearing, or to loosen and keep your loupes on you as a lanyard around your neck. Depending on which version of the strap you have, installation will vary slightly. Sports Strap 1 is completely nylon from tip to tip. Each opening will slide simply into place over each temple arm tip. Adjust the toggle as needed by sliding it along the strap to your preference for wear. Sports Strap 2 will have two rubber tips which the loupes temple arms will fit into. These can be a tricky fit. To make it a bit easier, you can spray a small amount of the lens cleaner that is supplied with your loupes to the end of each temple arm tip. This will help each rubber tip slide easily into place over the rubber tips of the loupes. The toggle can be slid along the strap to adjust to your needs, whether wearing your loupes on your face or as a lanyard. Thanks for watching. For more videos about your Q-Optics loupes, subscribe to our channel.